Chauhan from SHAHEED Bhagat Singh College, third year student of BA program. I'm really very excited to see the live streaming of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he will tell us about the Viksit Bharat mission by the 2047, which is exactly after the 100 years of our independence. Where if I see in my vision the Viksit Bharat, a developed nation in all the sectors, the culture, economic, social, in all the fields, we see a country a developed, where we see a country, our Bharat, a global leader. So I'm very excited to see it.
Hello, my name is Aman Kumar Dubey and I am a student of SHAHEED Bhagat Singh College. I'm going to attend an inaugural session where our Honorable Prime Minister is going to lay the foundation stones for India's upcoming semiconductor industries, and I'm looking forward to know more insights about this industry.
तो आज 10:30 बजे प्रधानमंत्री जी की स्पीच विकसित भारत के ऊपर जो विजन है उसके बारे में है, एंड मैं बहुत ही उत्सुक हूँ उसके बारे में जानने के लिए भी।
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ सेमीकंडक्टर के बारे में जानने के लिए, जो उनकी फैक्ट्रीज वगैरह है, जिन जिन चीज़ों में काम आता है, ताकि मेरी नॉलेज और बढ़े।
कि भारत के नौजवानों का जो सामर्थ्य है उनको अवसर चाहिए, और ये सेमीकंडक्टर का हमारा इनिशिएटिव देश के नौजवानों के लिए बहुत बड़ा अवसर लेकर आया है।
So Laisha, how your opinion about the concept of Viksit Bharat has changed after watching this video?
So I've learned that India will be expanding its semiconductor production, which will help it make self-reliant and also expand its export sector and also generate employment opportunities. Further, the northeastern states will be opening their logistics gateway to Southeast Asia, which will further pave the way towards development. And lastly, there are some other measures such as expanding global supply chain network and expanding the telecommunication sector, which will help it achieve its goal of developed nation by 2047. Thank you.
University of Delhi. I'm pursuing BCom Honors here, and today I feel very proud to say that, and I also am from Assam, and today the government of India's vision that is to transform India into a developed country by 2047. It's 100 years of independence, and today it's the beginning that the government of India has inaugurated the project for semiconductors industries in Gujarat and Assam, and I feel very proud of being from Assam, and today I feel I can say that it's a big day for us and also a moment to be cherished forever. Thank you.
Hiren, how your opinion about the concept of Viksit Bharat has changed after watching this video?
After the watching of these videos, I realized that the setting up of these semiconductor units, I think, will be very fruitful in the future of our country, as it will lead to technological advancements by us becoming self-reliant on these very insignificant chips. Also, employment will increase in tens if not thousands, in tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands in these two states, and even the idea of investment by foreigners and Indian investors will increase, and that is what we're looking for. People to be more involved in our country's development.